the name of God, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I thank God, without whom nothing is achieved. My parents always taught me to speak up for what I believe in, even if I stand alone. Without my parents, I would not have been the Malala you see me today. On this glorious occasion, my voice represents every girl, every boy, every woman, and every man who has raised their voice for their rights but never heard. There are many who fought for their rights: the right to live in peace, the right to live in dignity, the right to equality of opportunity, most importantly, the right to be educated. I pray in the name of God, holding the hands of my father and mother. I'm sure I will achieve my dream.
Good evening, Malala. I am Impana S., a reporter from BBC. As a member of the audience, I would like to carry your story to the world. Can you please share details of your journey? How, from a small town in Swat, Pakistan, you have reached the portals of the UN?
Let me go back in time to the day I was born. It was on 12th July 1997. My parents were really excited to have their first child.
इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशियाँ। इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशियाँ।
दबे दबे पाँव से आए हौले हौले जिंदगी, होठों पे उंगली चढ़ा के हम ताले लगा के चल गुमसुम तराने चुप के गाए, आधी आधी बांट ले आजा दिल की ये ज़मीन। थोड़ा सा तेरा सा होगा, थोड़ा मेरा भी होगा, अपना ये आशियाँ।
इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशियाँ। ना हो चार दीवारें, फिर भी झरोखे खुले, बादलों के हो पर्दे, शाखें हरी पंख झले, ना हो कोई तकरारे, हरी मस्ती ठहाके चले, प्यार के से तुमसे महीने का खर्चा चले।
दबे दबे पाँव से आए हौले हौले जिंदगी, होठों पे उंगली चढ़ा के हम ताले लगा के चल गुमसुम तराने चुप के गाए, आधी आधी बांट ले आजा दिल की ये ज़मीन। थोड़ा सा तेरा सा होगा, थोड़ा मेरा भी होगा, अपना ये आशियाँ।
इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बना
It's a girl? That's so sad. We thought we would celebrate the birth of your first child, a boy. So sad, isn't it?
Why didn't Allah give you a son? This is so unfair.
Appa, we thank Allah for His great gift of a beautiful daughter. We will love, cherish, and educate her. We shall name her Malala.
मेरे घर आई, मेरे घर आई एक नन्ही परी, एक नन्ही परी, चांदनी के हसीन रथ पे सवार मेरे घर आई, हो मेरे घर आई एक नन्ही परी, एक नन्ही परी.
We lived in the most beautiful place in the world, my valley, the Swat Valley. It is a heavenly kingdom of mountains, gushing waterfalls, and crystal clear lakes. Welcome to the paradise.
Malala's father was well educated. His dream was to have his own school for girls. He taught there was nothing more important than knowledge. He encouraged the children to go to school and taught them diligently.
Malala, you must study well and concentrate on learning. It's very important.
I will. But why education is so important?
Education is the window to the world. You need education to succeed in life
But why does no one send their daughters to school here?
because they are ignorant. They do not want girls to become successful and be independent. If girls get educated, they will become independent, and this is not liked by the men of the house.
But isn't that wrong?
Yes, it is. Come, let's try and convince them to send their daughters to school. Children with dreams and goals succeed in life. Every girl must dream for a better tomorrow. Anything is possible when you believe in God and, of course, in yourself. So, this is today's lesson. Will you come regularly to school?
Yes!
So your father and you managed to convince girls to study and dream for a better tomorrow. How wonderful it is!
My father and mother used to say, Malala, you are as free as a bird. You must think for yourself. You must enjoy your freedom.
रंगीली हो सजीली हो रंगीली हो सजीली हो अलबेलियो अलबेलियो
मैं अलबेली घूमूं अकेली कोई पहेली हूँ मैं हाँ मैं अलबेली घूमूं अकेली कोई पहेली हूँ मैं पगली हवाएं मुझे जहाँ भी ले जाए इन हवाओं की सहेली हूँ मैं
तू है रंगीली हो तू है सजीली हो
हिरनी शोला शाम और सवेरे सौ रंग मेरे मैं भी नहीं जानू आखिर हूँ मैं क्या अकेली घूमे अकेली कोई पहेली है तू पगली हवाएं तुझे जहाँ भी ले जाए इन हवाओं की सहेली है तू
तू अरबेली घूमे अकेली कोई बखेली
मेरे हिस्से में आई है कैसी बेदारियां मेरा दिल घबराता है मैं चाहे जाऊं जहां मेरे हिस्से में आई है कैसी बेदारियां मेरा दिल घबराता है मैं चाहे जाऊं जहां मेरी बेचैनी ले जाए मुझको जाने कहाँ मैं एक पल हूँ यहाँ मैं एक पल हूँ यहाँ मैं हूँ एक पल वहाँ चली है सपनों की है दुनिया जिसमें तू है पली मैं अलबेली घूमूं अकेली कोई पहेली हूँ मैं हाँ मैं अलबेली घूमूं अकेली कोई पहेली हूँ मैं पगली हवाएं मुझे जहाँ भी ले जाए इन हवाओं की सहेली हूँ मैं
तू है रंगीली हो
शबनम कभी हूँ मैं कभी हूँ शोला शाम और सवेरे सौ रंग मेरे मैं भी नहीं जानू आखिर हूँ मैं क्या तू अकेली घूमे अकेली कोई पहेली है तू पगली हवाएं तुझे जहाँ भी ले जाए इन हवाओं की सहेली है तू
Oh, that must have been such fun. Then why did things change?
I was 10 years old when the Taliban came to our valley. First, the Taliban took our music and then our history. They entered our villages and burned schools. My father always said that the most beautiful thing in a village is the sight of a child in a school uniform. But now we were afraid to wear them. My father encouraged me to give interviews about the rights of girls. Why can't one girl change it? I wonder. I prayed to God to give me strength.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah.
On 9th October 2012, the Taliban shot me on the left side of my forehead. They shot my friends too.
Who is Malala? Malala Yousafzai, a young activist from Pakistan, was shot in the head by 2 gunmen from Taliban as she was returning from school. This was in retaliation to her as she was promoting education for girl children. She got hit on her left side and is in a critical condition. We pray for the speedy recovery of this brave girl.
I was rushed to the hospital at Rawalpindi. I was in coma. I had to be rushed to the hospital in Birmingham, UK. There was an incredible international reaction to my shootout. It seemed like the whole world was outraged.
My God, that was tragic. But you recovered. So many prayers, the grace of God, and the love of your family.
Yes, they thought that the bullets would silence us, but they failed. And out of that silence came thousands of voices. The terrorists thought they would change my aims and stop my ambitions. But strength, power, and courage was born.
Malala, we know of your role in schools in many countries. Which are the countries you visited?
I took up the cause of education in Kenya, Sudan, Syria, Afghanistan, Brazil, India, and Nigeria.
The youngest person to win the Nobel Peace Prize, Malala Yousafzai, at the age of 16. She was shot for having stood for the rights of education of over 66 million girls all over the world. She was bruised, hurt badly, but not defeated. Malala continued her efforts towards education for girls along with her father Ziauddin Yousafzai. She wants to be remembered not as the girl who was shot by the Taliban, but the girl who fought for education. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together to felicitate the youngest Nobel Peace Prize winner, Malala Yousafzai.
जल जल नाच अब चल आजा रे थर 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 हाँ कांपे थर थर हाँ डर डर जी से डर अब नाना बागों में बोला बोला रे बोला मोर बदला रे दिल का भूगोल नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम धाय हे धिन कड़ाक आजा उड़ के सराट पैरों से बीड़ी जरा खोल नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम धाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम
I am the same Malala. My ambitions are the same. My hopes are the same. My dreams are the same. My parents taught me to dream, and I dreamt of a world where every child has a right to education. My parents made me believe in my dream, and I did. My parents believed in God and believed in me. Through their belief, my dream of education for girls has become my achievement, your achievement, and our achievement. My award is a tribute to all the girls who have faced injustice and been silenced. Together, we will be heard. You are Malala, you are Malala, and you are Malala.